ating VNC meal replacement with Coach Alvin Velasco. Go ahead po.
Okay, so good morning everyone. Christmas sa inyo at sa inyong pamilya. I hope you have enjoyed the holiday season and Happy New Year, this coming New Year. Ano? Okay, so ang topic po natin is very important today kasi it will remind us na kahit po sa Kapaskuhan, sa holiday na to, we really need to stick to our routine na taking every day the shakes, no? And of course, before that one, let me just share my quick story, no? So, I'm Alvin Velasco and mag-57 na po ako. And we've been doing this product, taking the product along with my wife and my kids for 11 years now. So nakita nyo yung 11 years na yun, walang palya yun na to take the healthy breakfast every day. So that's why may result kami na maganda and people are coming para to really try din the product because of your result. So that's number one. Kailangan natin na to let the people see how good the product is, di ba? So I lost 25 pounds during my first month following my coach and taking the product consistently and correctly. So with that 25 pounds down, alam naman natin pag overweight tayo, we have a lot of aches and pains sa body and discomfort. My toes, my knees, my shoulder, my head. Lahat yan, alam natin, hindi natin pwedeng ikailayan na if you have this kind of overweight or obesity, lahat po yan papasok as a coach Lina discussed yung metabolic syndrome na yan. And so after this good result, alam nyo, business came in naturally and we engaged fully po sa Herbalife. There's a lot of training there para maging distributor ka and full-time coach. Okay? So our topic for today is about meal replacement. No? Now, talking about meal replacement, yun nga, number one is to really consistently having good result progressively. No? Yan po yung ating pakay for this ating pag-uusapan. And number two, a lot of people know that the product is good. Minsan ang problema, they cannot sustain it, di ba? Siyempre sa hirap ng buhay ngayon and if you are a regular employee, hindi naman basta-basta lang that you can actually madadagdag sa iyong regiment or sa inyong pagkain yung Herbalife natin, no? Although it's a replacement meal for everybody and mas healthier option siya. So we have this thing also na dapat nating ituro sa inyo. How do you manage to sustain yung consumption nyo? And of course, meron din nga, because Herbalife is a business, but it's an amazing business kasi you should have a good result pati sa pamilya mo and you can earn also. So yan yung tatlo na reminders natin sa araw na ito, ano? And not only meal replacement, alam naman natin that we've been number one in the whole world. We offer a full line of great tasting nutrition products that can be customized, no, to meet yung individual needs natin and help consumers achieve yung unique wellness goals nila, no? So, let me remind you that our product includes meal replacement. Kung bago ka lang, meron tayong protein shakes, mga teas, aloes, mga high protein snacks sa ibang bansa. Meron tayong vitamins and supplements. Meron tayong sports nutrition, outer nutrition products, all backed by science. You don't have to worry about that po. And remember po, 98% ng mga consumer, lalong-lalo na sa Pilipinas, nag-decide na sila na kailangan nila maging healthy, no? So that's what the potential business is going through with this Herbalife company, okay? So meal replacement and protein. So number one tayo in the whole world at meal replacement. Not only that, pati sa protein supplement combined, number one tayo. So Yun nga, napakadami nating pwedeng tulungan with the product. Okay? Now you have to listen with this video kasi ito yung video, it summarizes all the goodness ng ating meal replacement, especially yung F1 formula natin, F1 shake. So listen to this, guys.
Herbalife Nutrition Formula 1 Meal Replacement Shakes can help you manage your weight. They can also be used as a healthy snack to satisfy hunger between meals, or after a workout as a convenient source of protein your body needs after exercise. Formula 1 is the #1 meal replacement shake in the world, first and foremost, because it's delicious, but also because it's good for you. Each shake contains 21 vitamins and minerals, 17 grams of protein, and 3 grams of fiber, essential nutrients and vitamins available in a convenient and affordable shake. Our shakes are high-protein, low-calorie, balanced, nutritious shakes. They help you control your portion size and help assure that even as you embark on that journey to a healthy weight, that you don't do it at the expense of important, essential nutrients. Formula 1 is an affordable and convenient source of good nutrition. That's because of its nutrient density, meaning every calorie in every shake is loaded with healthy nutrition. And whether it's adding fruit or nuts or vegetables, or mixing 2 different flavors to make something unique that only you enjoy, we design our products to support you. You can even use Formula 1 in your favorite recipes to create something truly unique and nutritious. Whether that's a pancake for breakfast, a refreshing treat on a warm day, or your favorite dessert, the options are only limited by your imagination. Formula 1 contains soy protein, which is a great source of plant-based, high-quality protein grown on farms that we monitor and visit. We also offer shakes formulated with a plant-based blend of pea, quinoa, and rice proteins. From farm to your doorstep, Herbalife Nutrition is dedicated to providing high-quality, good nutrition to each and every person.
So okay, no need to explain further. No, nandun na lahat yung goodness. Ang option nga daw is only limited to our imagination. Okay, but the thing is, hindi naman pwedeng magsalita yung ating product. It makes all the difference na meron din tayong program. We have a system here in the company that truly deliver results. Kasi with the product backed up by science, #1 in the world, kailangan po may magdi-deliver nito or someone that will really introduce the product. And that's our part today, no? Yung mga may results, yung mga coaches and mga distributor natin. It will create large ripples and domino effect to really get one person at a time to get into a real fitness goal or wellness goal na kailangan nila. So we really have to do that one. And we are valuable to the marketplace. So the next one is, let's do it kasi gumagamit na rin tayo ng product. So find the entrepreneur in you, no? Lahat po tayo may gift na ganyan, okay? Your business, your way. Napakaganda po sa Herbalife kasi you can design your own business. Marami pong reason to become why you should be a Herbalife independent distributor. Pwede kang part-time, it gives you flexibility sa time mo, or maybe you are interested ka to really start and growing or running your own business, pwede po dito. You'll experience the positive impact na katulad namin na na-experience to help people live their best lives, di ba? Nakita niyo yung aking background dyan, live your best life. So, building this business gives you the opportunity to grow. In terms of requirements naman, walang kailangan katulad ng ibang businesses. Kahit ano ka, kahit wala kang pinag-aralan or may degree ka, it all boils on how you really introduce the product with your results. Ganun lang po kasimple. Okay? The product itself, kung ikaw hindi pa nag-engage sa business ng Herbalife, pero love na love mong product, you trust them, you love them, so why not build a business around them? Ito lang naman a suggestion, no? What sets Herbalife apart from other companies. We are committed po sa science. Again, alam nyo, science ano na tayo ngayon eh. So, yung mga solution na yan scientifically across the board, nauuna po tayo dyan sa wellness space na yan. Okay? With a formulation po that what you want, every country, ginagawa po ng Herbalife yan. Confidently, Herbalife offers you the best. You can see the number there. Imagine niyo yung 5 million shakes a day. So that's really, grabe yan. 1.8 billion servings of shakes a day. You have to join this company. And number 3, yung technology po, binibigay na rin po sa atin ng Herbalife. And we offer a collection of digital technologies tailored for specifically sa business na to. Saan ka pa, libre yung mga yan. Our tools are designed to empower, to manage the business. At kung hindi niyo pa alam yan, you have to talk to the person who invited you here, or kung distributor ka na, hindi ka masyado umaattend ng training, so do it kasi sayang na sayang po yung mga ganitong pagkakataon, no? Seamlessly blending simplicity, alam mo, napaka-simple ng business, not complex. It mixed with the innovation na nangyayari sa mundo ngayon, how we connected technology solution sa mga ating goals in terms of financial, no? Herbalife company is continuously upgrading yung mga tools na yan to ensure that we are number 1 in the marketplace. Yan, no? And of course, a community that encourages and a community that is kind. Dito sa ating BNC, we experience that one. Pag sumali ka sa Herbalife po, as an independent distributor, you will be aligned with all those mentors, mga distributors na naging successful, na nagsimula din na katulad ninyo, no? Together, we will uncover, katulad ko, together we will uncover your hidden potentials. Ganun po kasi ang nangyari sa atin, no? Fueling your passion and moving closer to your dreams. Yun po yung ating dinidevelop dito sa ating community, no? So, you will be introduced also sa mga powerful network natin of mentors. When you attend Spectacular this coming January, makikita nyo po doon, taga-ibang bansa ang nagtuturo sa atin. And these people are the expert in the industry na makakasalamuhan natin and teaches us on hand, di ba? You will have meaningful connections with the people. If you attend Spectacular, makikita mo yung mga tao doon sa Mindanao, sa Davao, na kahit malalayo sila, you can see the connection as a family. So masusubukan po ninyo yan, no? And of course, yung flexibility, what I like about this company, kasi ako, I've been a salesman and doing the business, parang mas simpler pa siya. Sa pagiging salesman, napakahirap po, no? There's a lot of stress there. Dito, you can run your own business, opens a lot of doors. You have a lot of freedom to decide how much effort na ibibigay mo in doing the business, part-time, full-time. Bahala ka kung paano mo siya i-manage, no? You choose how to run the business, every part of the business, yung decision mo, it's all up to you. Just align with the system and boom, it really progress or be successful. With the support of the company, yun, makakreate ka talaga ng sarili mong business tailored para sa'yo, no? For me, we are enjoying right now passive income. So we are averaging mga 100,000 a month. So that's really great. You stay at home lang kung gusto mo. And we will have our presentation. Kanina lang, nakabenta si Noemi. So these are the things po na napakasimpleng gawin sa Herbalife. You just have to really give time para mapag-aralan ang mga ito, no? And instead of settling for the ordinary, dito po pwede kang maging big time dito. You just have to say yes to yourself to be a better someone that really creates changing others' life for the better and embrace the extraordinary possibility na pwedeng dumating sa'yo and running this business. Okay? So, and lastly po, yung purpose natin, we have to change the habits of the world. Alam naman natin naman napakarami ng problema in terms of nutrition. Just imagine po the possibility of starting a business that can be about more than just making money. So, yun po yung gustong-gusto ko sa Herbalife. It's about changing lives and empowering others to live healthier and better lives. So with our purpose-driven na company na katulad nito, every step of the way that you take, you have the power to make a real impact on the people around you. So, maraming salamat po sa pakikinig and Happy New Year.
Yes, thank you. Napakaganda na narinig natin. Confirmation niya ng ating iniinom na shake natin na talaga namang nakakatulong sa lahat. Ipagpatuloy lang po natin yung ating pag-invite, pag-share ng ating Herbalife Nutrition anywhere we go. Actually, sabi nga, nakwento nga niya kanina, may nakwentuhan lang ako about the shake. Nag-order ngayon lang, nandito tayo sa BNC. So napakaganda talaga. Napakagandang i-share yung ating Herbalife Nutrition and VNC. Mag-invite lang tayo dito. Just give the link. Pinakita ko lang yung link sa FB Live. So nag-order siya kaagad. Nakakatuwa.